master Padma said, concerning capacity, there are 4 points to go on astray, the first of which is the way of straying from the capacity. In essence, no matter how they manifest, the various thoughts that manifest from awareness as the natural radiance of empty cognizance are never beyond being empty awareness. Failure to understand this is called straying from empty awareness. The sign of having gone astray in this way is that one's thoughts, words, and deeds become involved in the mundane pursuits of this life. The shortcoming of this type of straying is that such a conceptual attitude, in which thought occurrence doesn't dawn as dharmakaya, binds you in the web of any rising thought, thus paralyzing your spiritual practice. The predominant negative habits of your latent tendencies make you pursue nothing other than the aims of this life.